Good morning. Welcome to online maths class for 6th standard. Exercise 4.4. First question. Find the type of the line marked in the thick lines, parallel line, intersecting line and perpendicular line. We easily find the parallel lines. Parallel line means these are the parallel lines. These are all the parallel lines. This is parallel. And perpendicular line. This is perpendicular. And this one is intersecting line. I think so you are all understood. Second sum, find the parallel and intersecting line segments in picture given below. Here you have to identify the names A, E and ZV. Next one AB, BW, and then next one BC, WX, and then next one CD, XY, and then next one ED parallel to YZ. These are all the parallel lines. And also asking intersecting lines. What are the intersecting lines? What are the intersecting lines? DE intersect with ZV. DE intersect with ZV. This is in cross line is called the intersecting line. Here WX intersect CD. Intersect CD. Only these two are all intersecting lines. Next, third sum. Name the following angles as shown in the figure. Name the following angles shown in the figure. Angle 1. Angle 1 name. Name DBC. DBC or CBD. And then angle 2. Angle 2 DBE. DBE or EBD. And then angle 3. Angle 3 EBA or ABE. ABE. And then additionally two angles 1 and 2. Angle 1 plus 2. Angle CBE. CBE or EBC. EBC. And then next one additionally 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So this is a DBA or ABD. ABD. Next sum. Same sum and then angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that is ABC. ABC. Angle ABC. ABC or angle B or angle CBA or angle CBA. Next, fourth sum, measure the angle of the given figure using protractor and identify the types of angles as acute, obtuse, right or straight. First one is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is intersecting line, the perpendicular line, right angle. First one is 90 degree, right angle. This is less than 90 degree means acute angle. Acute angle. This is straight angle. More than 90 degree means obtuse angle. Next sixth sum. From the figure given below, classify the following pairs of angles into complementary and non-complementary. Complementary and complementary means adding two angles we get exactly 90 degree. That is called complementary angle. First one is adding these two 90 degree. 45 plus 45 90. 25 plus 25 what is 50 degree. This is not a complementary angle. And then adding these two. This is 75 plus 105. Adding here we get 180 degree. This is not a complementary angle, supplementary angle. And the next one. And then here first subdivision. Here 40 degree and 52 degree. Or these two are non-complementary. And this is adding these two we get 90 degree. This also This is also non-complementary because 90 plus 90, 180 degrees, straight angle. Straight angle, 180 degree. This also not complementary. This is also not complementary. This also not complementary. In first subdivision alone, complementary angle. Seventh sum. From the figure given below, classify the following pairs of angles into supplementary and non-supplementary. So like complementary, supplementary means adding two angle is equal to 180 degree. Here adding two angles. Here adding two angles. This is not here 60 30 plus so this is 150, not a supplementary angle. And then here adding this 95 plus 85, this is supplementary angle. This is 230. This is not a supplementary angle. Adding this is a straight line. We get a 180 degree. This is supplementary angle. Here first subdivision and fourth subdivision are supplementary angle. And second and fourth subdivision are supplementary angle. First and third are non-supplementary angle. Eighth sum. From the figure, name a pair of complementary angles. Name a pair of supplementary angles. Here complementary. Complementary means in 90 degree divided 2. Divided or exactly or say anyway. This is these two angles. These two angles are complementary angle. Complementary angle. Supplementary angle means this angle and this angle. We get finally a 180 degree. Ninth sum, find the complementary angle. So complementary means 90. 90 minus 30, 60 degree. 90 minus 30, 60 degree. Here 26. 90 minus 26 is 64 degree. 90 minus 85 is 5 degree. Here complementary means 90. 90 minus 0 is nothing but 90 degree, or 90 minus 0 or 90 minus 90. 90 minus 90 0 degree or a 0 degree. Next 10th sum, like a complementary. Find the supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Here subtract. You have to subtract this and this. Right? 180 minus 70, we get 110 degree. And then 180 minus 35, 145 degree. 180 minus 165, it's a 15 degree. And then 180 minus 90, we get 90 degree. And then 180 minus 180 minus 0, 180 degree. And then 180 minus 180, 0 degree. And then 180 minus 95, we get an 85 degree. Next 11th sum, think and write and object having parallel line. What is parallel line objects? Two edges of the geometry box, two edges or opposite edges of the table. Next, so for your choice, you fill that first, second and third. Perpendicular line. Path traced by the wheel of the car or a tree and ground. This is a perpendicular. A path traced by the wheel of a car on a straight road. Tree. This is tree and this is the land. This is perpendicular. And intersecting lines. Four roads. This is four roads. So this is an intersecting line. Opposite edges of a blackboard. These are all the first one parallel line examples. And then second one perpendicular, your choice, right? And then intersecting, this is a four road. Next 12th sum. Which angle is equal to twice of its complementary angle? Twice of its complementary angle. Which angle? That is x. X is equal to 2 into complementary angle means 90. 90 minus x, 90 minus x, complement, not complementary. Complement means one. From complementary, one angle is complement. 90 minus x. Here multiple, 2 into 90, 180. 2 into 90, 180, 180. And 2 into x, 2x. And then 2 transfers to left side means it get positive. X plus 2x, 3x. 3x is equal to 180 degree. When you are divided by 180 divided by 3, we get 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. 13th sum. Which angle is equal to 2/3 of its supplement? 2/3 of its supplement. Trial and error method. Trial and error method. So this is here given x means, given angle x 30 means. Here also 30 means. So using 3 table 10 times. 10 twos are 20. 30 is equal to, sorry. Supplement, that is supplement means 180 minus 30, 180 minus 30 angle, that is 150 degree. 150 degree divided by means 100. 30 is equal to 100, no. And then 60 means 180 minus 60 is 120. From here 120, 60 is equal to 80, no. And then 66 means 180 minus 66 we get 114. And then divided by 3 means, so when you strike out this in 3 table, 3 3s are 9, remainder 2 carries 24 means 8 times. 38 into 2, 76, it's a no. And then 72, if it is a 72 means 100 and it's a 180 minus 72, 108. So when you are divided by 108, so that we get 72 is equal to 72. The required angle is 72 degree. Given two angles are supplementary and one angle is 20 degree more than other. Find the two angles. You have to find the two angles. Using trial, this is also trial and error method. Here supplementary means 180 degree. And then we don't know the angle x. X plus, it's another angle is x plus 20. X plus 20. X is equal to 20 means, put x is equal to 20 means 20 plus 20, 40. And then 40 plus 20, 40 here x already one of the x is there. So 60, no. And then if it is a 40 means 100, no. And then if it is a 60 means 140, no. If it is an 80, 100, and then 100 here, 100 plus 80, 180. So this 180 and 100 or 80 and 100 or adding these two angles, we get a supplementary angles. Next 15th sum, two complementary angles are in the ratio 7:2. Find the angle. Let the angle be 7x, 2x. Adding complementary means 90 degree. 7x plus 2x is equal to 9x is equal to 90. Divided by 9 means 10. Here 7x, that is 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Another angle 2x, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. One is 70 and another one is 20. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio 5:4. Find the angle. Total of two supplementary angle is 180 degree. Here given ratios 5:4. 5. You have to find the total. That is 9. Here total means 9. From 5 total is 9. 5 by 9 into 180 degree. Using 9th table 20. 5 twos are 5 into 5 twos are 10, that is 100. And then from 4 divided by 9 into here also 20. 4 twos are 80. Two angles are, one is 100, another one is 80 degree. Next chapter, data handling. Next chapter is data handling. What is mean by data handling? We are collecting some informations. That is data handling. In our class, how many students get more than out of 100 more than 90 degree? This is some collection of data. This is called data. Collected information is called data. Collected information is called data. An example of primary data. Primary data means we are directly collecting. I have a list of absentees in the class. This is direct. And then secondary data means we are collecting from anywhere. That is a website. Cricket score gathered from a website. And then a tally mark of a number. How to put a tally mark? 1, 2, 3, 4. After that from last one top and first one bottom we strike out. This is 5. And then 6, 7, 8. This is the answer. This is the answer for 8. Next is question number 2. Vijay threw a die 30 times and noted down the results each times as follows. Prepare a table on the numbers shown using a tally mark. Given some collection of data. So you have to make a tally mark. 1 how many times? Here 1 times, and then 2 times, and then 3 times. Here you have to make a tally mark. And then 2 how many times? Here 2 1 times, 2 times, and then 2 times, only 2 times. And then 3 how many times? 3 1 times, 2 times, only 2 times. 3 also only 2 times. Next 4. Where is 4? Here 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times. This is 6. And then you have to make a tally mark. And then 5 how many times? 9 times. And 6 how many times? 8 times. This is called a tally mark. This is called a tally mark. In your question, prepare a table on a number line shown using a tally mark. This is a tally mark. First one is, it's a number or a face of die. Tally mark. And counting or frequency. Counting or a frequency. Next, third sum. The following list tells colors like by 25 students prepared a table using a tally mark. Same way, here given colors: red color, blue color, white color, grey color, and green color. How many red colors are there? 4 red colors. 1, and then 2, 3, and then 4. This is 4. And then blue color 6, and then white color 2, and then grey color 7, and then green color 6. When you are adding, you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5, here 5 rows are there, and columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. We get a total 25. Correct answer. You have to check. Okay, ma? Right. And the next one, fourth sum. The following are the marks obtained by 30 students in a class test out of 20 in mathematics subjects. Here out of 20 is given from 11 to 19. 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Here 20 is there. Right. 11 how many students? 1. And then 2. Only 2. 12 5 members. And then 13 4 members. 14 4 members. 15 6. And 16 4. And 17 2. And then 18 only alone. 18 is only 1. This is. And then 19 also only 1. And 20 also only 1. Here, these are all. Adding this. Here, at first count the number of columns. 1, 2, 3. And then rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 3, 30. Our total is correct. Next sum. Fifth sum. The table shows the number of cells recorded by a fire service station in 1 year. In 1 year, building fire, other fires. Here given some data, here some missing, right? Tally mark and frequency. At first, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and strike out, and this is 6. And then here 6. And then next one is 11. And the next one, here 7 is given. You have to draw the tally marks. And the next one, 4 is given. You have to write 4. And then here 7 is given. You have to mention 7. Right? When you are adding, check your frequency, add all the values, and then 35 satisfied means you get a correct answer. Right?